Hey guys, in this video I'm showing you how to change your PIN on a Capital One card so you can keep your account secure and update it fast, whether you're setting up a new card or just want a more memorable number. First off, log in to your Capital One mobile app. It's the easiest and fastest way to manage your card settings on the go. Next, tap on your card from the dashboard, then go to Card Settings. Change PIN. Here's a pro tip. You'll need to verify your identity, usually with Touch ID, face recognition, or your current PIN. Now, enter your new 4-digit PIN. Make sure it's something secure, but easy for you to remember. Don't forget, the new PIN will work right away at ATMs and in-person purchases, so make sure you save it somewhere safe. So should you feel unsure about managing your PIN? Not anymore. Just follow these steps and update your PIN in under a minute. Let me know in the comments if you've changed your Capital One PIN before and how easy it was for you. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe.